Will your home fire extinguisher work when you need it? 45 million home extinguishers were recently recalled because they might not work. Have you checked yours? The law requires businesses to use licensed professionals to inspect their extinguishers every year. Because traditional extinguishers contain extreme pressure, without that pressure, the extinguisher will not expel the chemical inside to put out the fire. Meet licensed professional Randy Rusoh. He inspects thousands of fire extinguishers every year. What he sees has caused many a sleepless night. Faulty gauges that say there is pressure when there is none, severely compacted chemical that does not come out under pressure, rusty or dented extinguishers, dangerous given the amount of pressure within, and an outdated design that is difficult to activate and operate. Randy resolved to fix all these problems by reinventing the extinguisher. It wasn't easy. After 10 years, success. Introducing the Rusoh Fire Extinguisher. No pressure until it is needed. Uses a CO2 cartridge. Reliable. Easy to inspect. Easy to insert. And with the Recharge Kit, the users can quickly reload the Rusoh extinguisher themselves. The Rusoh wheel ends chemical compaction. Turn the wheel and an internal auger stirs the powder, ensuring that it will flow freely. High-quality polymer housing will not dent or rust. Ideal for boats. And even in the panic mode, the unit couldn't be easier to operate. There are no pins to pull or metal handles to squeeze. The Rusoh Fire Extinguisher. Get one today, now available at Lowe's.